Welcome back to the ABCs of OSS, the show where we break down the world of open source software one letter at a time. I'm your host, Taylor. Today's letter is J. J is for JavaScript frameworks, because apparently we need 1,000 ways to build a website. If you're a web dev, you felt it. Drowning in frameworks, React, Angular, Vue.js, it's like picking a starter Pokemon. But here's the secret, they actually make our lives easier. What is a framework anyway? Think of it like a pre-built house. You don't have to make your own bricks. It gives you the foundation so you can stop reinventing the wheel and just build. Let's meet the big three. React, Facebook's golden child. It's like Lego for web development. Developers are obsessed. Angular, Google's heavyweight champion. It comes with everything but the kitchen sink. Vue.js, the independent. It looked at React and Angular and said, why not both? It's the Switzerland of frameworks. Why are they all such a big deal? They let developers focus on the cool features that matter. They handle the boring stuff, they have the tools to help you scale, and when you get stuck, the community has your back. A Stack Overflow answer is waiting for you. The open source community is the engine here. React may have started at Facebook, but the world builds it now. Vue.js is powered by community love and energy drinks. Google keeps Angular's light on, but the community drives it forward. But let's be real, it's not a perfect world. The learning curve is steeper than my coffee intake on a deadline. And the second you master one, 3 new ones pop up. It's a game of JavaScript whack-a-mole. So how do you choose? Think of it like a starter home. React is for flexibility. You bring your own furniture. Angular is the all-inclusive package. It comes with a novel-sized instruction manual. Vue.js, the friendly neighbor, approachable and surprisingly capable. The future, it's looking wild. Server-side rendering is becoming standard. Static sites are getting faster than a caffeinated cheetah. And new frameworks promise to make it all even easier, somehow. And that's our 10th letter. Next time, K is for Kubernetes, because managing things manually is so 2015. Until then, keep your dependencies updated and your components reusable. Peace out.